it's Mrs. Schleiss, and I just want to show you how you can submit assignments that are PDFs or that you need to just write on or color on that you may not have been able to do before. So in a couple classes we've had some assignments like this, and require you to color or require you to write on a PDF. So I'm just going to show you, this is one example of the assignment. So I'm in the class, and I'm going to go to modules, and I'm going to open up whatever assignment that it is. And so I'm going to go to today's, this is my medical skills, do's and don'ts of charting worksheet. Okay. And so it's going to come up, but you can see there's nothing that I can do right here. I can see the worksheet bigger. So if I wanted to print it and write on it, I could do that and then upload a picture. You can submit that. But if I don't have a printer, or if it's a coloring worksheet and I don't have colors, or if I just want to do it all digitally and not have the paper, then you're going to follow these directions. You're going to click on the assignment so that it downloads to your computer. And it's doing that right now. It's downloaded, so once it's downloaded here, I'm going to go ahead and submit assignment. Typically you would want to work on your assignment first before you submitted it, but that's not how we're going to do this. So we are going to go ahead and choose the file. And you're going to choose the file you just downloaded, so it's called Student Medical. That's the beginning of that. And these are all my downloads. You've got to turn them, but if I could organize it to Alright. So student. Oh, that's fine. Come on, you go in downloads. Downloads, they just downloaded it. I'm going to go down to what it was called, these are alphabetical. Student charting do's and don'ts. So I've selected that. That's the assignment. And you can see now it's attached. I'm going to go ahead and submit assignment. Okay. And it's going to give me my confetti like I did it, but I haven't done anything yet. So now I need to go to, it says it's submitted, I need to go to submission details. And then this would be where you could see what you had submitted. So if you ever are wondering what you submitted the right thing, that's how you would do it. You'd hit view feedback though for this one. And view feedback would be where I could also put feedback to you. But now you can see at the top, and if you didn't open that way, you had to make sure this is all the way to the top. You've got these toolbars, and these are tools to annotate. You could even make it bigger to take up your whole screen. You still have your tools up here. And now you are going to annotate on it. So you've got these pens, and you can select your color here. And so for this assignment, we had to circle the error. So this is an error. And then we needed to write down the number of error that it was corresponding to these numbers here. So I know that this is number 2 error, so I'm using that. So I'll go ahead and mark that, and I'm going to put that this is a 2. Okay. And if you don't like the way that you write on that, you could also select text box, and you could put a number text, and you could put a text box there and put number 2. And that would save there. You could also do that for your name. You put your name up here if you wanted. Again, it's not needed because it's already linked to you. But now whatever I'm doing here is already fixed. So I'm going to go through there. I'm going to, on this assignment, I'm going to find my 9 errors. I'm circling them and labeling them. Some other tools that are here are highlight. So you can highlight something on here. I don't know that's going to let us highlight these. Yeah, it's going to keep doing that. But usually that works. You can also pin something, so you can use it and you can link these same colored pens. So if I know that my green circle, maybe there, this was number 2 is my error. and that would tell me I did the green. And then we could use different colors for each of them. This is just back to our cursor. You can zoom in and zoom out, and you can go to your next page that way. So when I'm all done, that's it. You don't resubmit the assignment. The assignment's already been submitted, and all this work is going to save. If you want to, you can type a comment like you're done, just in case that, if I come in and it's not finished, I would know that. And if you did that, you'd have to hit save. If that makes you feel better, hit save that way. But there's nothing else that you need to do for there. And I will be able to go in and see whatever you've been working on real time on that. Right, so hopefully this helps. You can use it to write on, type on worksheets and other classes as well. Just don't forget, once you've submitted it, you've just begun, and now you have to actually do the work, but you don't have to submit it again, so that will cut down that step later. All right, let me know if you have questions with getting this assignment done. Bye.